As in the previous video, we saw how we can create a Power Apps application from a SharePoint online list. Now we will see how we can develop a Power Apps application from an Excel sheet. In Power Apps, we can use data from an Excel table to build our first Canvas application. We will choose an Excel file, develop an app, and then we will play the app that we created. Here also, you do not need to any technical language like C#, SQL, Oracle, like this. Directly, we can make an application by using the Excel sheet. So how we can do this, we will see it. Now go to the browser, just write powerapps.com and then enter it. First of all, you need to sign in using your Office 365 or Microsoft 365 credential. Just click on it. Once you will sign in, then that home page will appear. This is the Power Apps home page. So in the Power Apps home page, you can see here start with data. Just click on it. Once you will click on it, you can see in this page there is an option called as upload an Excel file. Just click on it. Then this window will appear where you can add an Excel file from your system or drag one to onto this page. For that, just click on select from device, and then here you can choose your Excel file. So here I will choose financial sheet and then click on open. Now you can see the Excel file, whatever the data the Excel file has, it appears like different things. Let me tell you one important thing, that the Excel file maximum size is 5 GB. Otherwise, it will not upload. Once the Excel file has been loaded over here, you can see the table name, it won't come. So what you will do, you can see here this pencil icon, just click on it. Here you can change your table name. If I will change it financial sheet, and then you can give the description also over here, like this is for employee financial sheet. You can put something like this, and then you can change your primary column whatever you want, and then just click on save. So once you save it, you can see the changes has been reflected over here. You can see this is financial sheet, and also you can click on the edit table property. This one and this one is almost same, I mean same only. So like here also you can do the same thing by clicking on this, and by clicking on, and by using this icon also you can do the same thing. Here you can see the row ownership. So what does it mean? Like the data can be owned by a user or team or an organization. This determines who can see the data of this table, but can't be changed after the app is created. For that, you need to choose one ownership type. Either you choose rows owned by a user or team, or rows owned by a organization. I will click on this and I will save it. Next, use first row as column headers. What does that mean? If I will disable it, see what will happen. You can see like this. If I will enable this one, then the first row is taking as a column header. Okay, if I will disable it, it is not taking the first row as column header. But if I will enable it, it is taking the first row as a column header. So this is the difference between enable and disable of the this option. Suppose you want to edit some column in this table. So what you will do, suppose I will click on country, and I will click on edit column. Then here you can see all the options are available that you can modify. Suppose you want to change the display name, then you can click on this, or you can change, or you can enter any name. Suppose I will financial country something, then you can change the data type to any other data type. But when modifying the column data types, value in the cells that are incompatible with the chosen data type will be eliminated, or it will be removed before the table is created. If you want to change the format, then you can do over here by clicking on this drop down menu. And if you want to make this column as required, then just enable it, and then if not, then disable it, then update it. Once you will click on update, then the column will modify, the column name will modify like this. Whatever the changes we will do, it will modify. once you will click on the update button. The best part, you can see in the left side, you can see file uploaded successfully. When you will upload this Excel file here, you can see it will show all the columns, that is 11 number of columns, that is row previewing 1 out of 20 of 703 rows. And what is the file name over here? What is the Excel file name? It will show you all the details over here. Once everything is done, then click on the create app button over here. For you to start reviewing the data in your application, the system will upload the first 20 rows of sample data, but in the background, the remaining data will be uploaded. Here you can see it will be like, it will show a message like, thanks Preeti, we are creating an app for you. When the application will be ready for you, it will show a welcome message, welcome to Power Up Studio. Just keep it. Now you can see there will be one screen, that is main screen, that appears in this Canvas application, and all the records are retrieving from the Excel sheet only. First of all, what you need to do, you need to save and publish the app. You can directly save from here, or else directly you can click on publish button. Once you will click on this publish button, then this publish window will appear, where you can provide some description about your app, or else this is optional, you can do it, or that is your choice, and then click on this publish this person. Now your app has been published. So whenever next time when you will open the app, directly go to your app section, like I will show you, like powerapps.com, and then like directly click on powerapps.com, and then sign in with your Microsoft 365 credential. In the home page only, you can see financial sheet option. There, just play the app from here, and you can start a free trial, and you can click on a start a 30-day free trial, and you can choose your country, like whatever, wherever you are from, then you can choose the country from there, and then start my trial. And once it will be processed, and it you can play the app like this. So here, let me tell you some functionalities over here. You can see in the top of the things, this is the level control, it is showing the table name. And here you can see the search box is there. Whatever you will search, according to that, the gallery will, this is the my gallery control, the gallery will filter, and it will give the record according to my search things. So suppose I will search here Canada. Suppose I will search here Canada. Then according to my search things, my search term, the gallery filtered and displayed all the records in the gallery control like this. Now once I will remove this, it will show me all the records in the gallery. So the next thing, whenever you want to see some specific item details, then click on this. Suppose I want to view this item details, so I will click on this, and in the right side you can see this is the display form, where you can see all the details of that particular item. Here the mid market, you can see this is the segment, whatever you have chosen in the like while you creating the app, that time there is one option called segment. Whatever you will choose, according to that, it will categorize and it will display over here. Suppose you want to modify something in this item, then what you'll do, there will be a pen icon over here, click on it, and you can change something USA, and you can sell price is something 25 for 250, and then 2178 I can change 12846, something you can change it. And once the modification has done, you can click on this like submit or save icon. So once you will save it, it will save all the details, and also it will display in the uh, display form or in the details screen. The next thing is, suppose you want to delete some specific item from this gallery control. Suppose I want to delete this 7554 item, then click on it, and here you can see there will be a trash button over here. So just click on it. Once you will click on it, it will ask you to delete the item. So click on delete. If not, you can cancel it from the gallery control. Now you can see that item has been deleted from this gallery control. Also that particular item will not visible in the right side display form. The next important thing is plus new button. Suppose you want to add a new item to this gallery control. So what you will do, just click on this plus button, and here in the right side the edit form will appear where you can add a new item. Suppose I will add 263 264536, then financial country is Australia, and then gross sales I put something randomly, and the manufacturing price I can put something randomly, and the product laptop like this. And once you entered everything, then click on this save icon. If you don't want to create a new item, then click on this cancel icon. And if you want to save this item, just click on this check mark. You can see here one error came, that is it is saying cannot save. Please check if there are errors in the form. So you can scroll down. Here you can see this segment is required. Required means it is necessary field or mandatory field that you have to provide, else you will face the same error. Suppose I will provide marketing, then you can see the error has gone. Now you can click on save button. Once you saved this item, you can see in the gallery control the item or the new record has been added at the bottom. You can see over here 264536. This has been added at the bottom. In the same way, if you want to modify or something, if you want to delete the item, then you can use these two options or these two icons, and based upon that, it will do the functionality. So this is all about how you can create a Power Apps Canvas application from the Excel spreadsheet. In the next video, we will see how we can save, preview, and publish the Power Apps application. Thank you.